Okay. So, Tanino, how are you? Tanino,
Teacher.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
So, are you ready to study?
Yes.
Okay.
Audio.
Okay. What is this?
It's a glass.
A glass of water. Yes, sir. What is this?
A bottle. Water.
Water.
Drink.
Water.
What? Water.
Okay. Okay. What is this?
A, a brush.
A blush. Okay. What is this?
A balloon.
A balloon. Well done. Numero.
Oh, melon.
A balloon. Okay. Do you like a balloon? Do you like it? Okay. What is inside the balloon?
The air.
Air.
Rabies.
Air. Mickey, welcome back. Welcome, my dear friend. We miss you a lot. Okay. So, can you guess what are we going to study now? Can you guess? Here,
Yeah.
Mickey, here you have a glass of water. Here you have a glass. This we have a bottle. In a bottle there is water, and you have a balloon, empty balloon. But when I blow,
We learn about the metal. The metal.
Okay, Mila. Okay. The lesson of today we are going to learn about matters. All matters. Matters or matters. Yes? Okay. So I hope you remember what you have learned last time. Yes? Do you remember what you have learned the last time? Mickey, do you remember?
No.
No. You say no.
No.
Try. So last
No.
time we learned about light. Light. Do you remember? Okay. Do you remember? Last time we learned about light. And you have seen that light is important in our life because light is a kind of energy that helps us, that enables us to see. Without light, we cannot see everything. Yes. And also we have seen that the plant needs light for photosynthesis. Light is very important. So we have seen that light generates heat, can be transformed into heat energy. Remember, when you are cooking, we use heat energy. Do you remember? So light, a lot of light produce heat. Everybody are using light. So after finishing studying, please touch on the light. You will feel somehow heat. Yes, means that the light energy can produce heat energy. The heat energy is important for different kind of sources, activities. Examples, We use heat energy to cook food. We use heat energy to dry our clothes. Yes. So that is energy. We have ended by the force of energy. We have seen sound energy, light energy, heat energy, wind energy. You have seen those kind of energy. So today we are going to see the matters. Matters. Okay. Before going on, let us watch a video clip, talk about matters. By starting, there are three types of matters or matters. There are three types of matters. One is solid matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. Three types of matters. So, Mickey, how many types of matters do you know? How many types? Three. Tiny, what are they?
Liquid, gas, matter. Liquid.
Turn on microphone.
Liquid, gas, and solid.
Solid. Well done. Liquid, gas, and solid. So this is solid. A bottle is transparent object because the light can pass through partially, can pass through the bottle. Yes. Also, water is transparent because water can pass through, the light can pass through the water. Yes. Remember when we were studying light, I thought that light can help us to distinguish types of objects according to how they allow light to pass through. You have seen that the objects that is not allow light to pass through are called opaque objects. The objects that allow light to pass through are called transparent objects. Yes, and also the objects that allow partially light to pass through are called translucent objects. So today we are going to learn about matters. Okay. Okay.
And I like those eyes. Let's go with those eyes. And
How is it? How is it, Mickey? Good? Okay, well done. So, can you tell me what is matter? Who can tell me what is matter?
Matter is created by is the thing that everything matter is everything, and matter have volume and weight.
Okay. Well done, Rumloy. Okay, Mickey, what is the matter?
What? Again? What again?
What is the matter? What is the matter?
Matter is like Massa.
Okay.
Oh wait.
Okay.
Sorry.
You tried. Thank you very much for.
There is anything and everything that takes up space. Math.
Well done. Okay. Okay, Mickey. Well done.
You know what?
Okay, Tenino, well done. Matter is well done. You get 10 out of 10, and the Tenino also get 10 out of 10. Matter is everything around us that can have weight, volume, and occupy space. Yes, that is a matter. This is a matter because a bottle has weight, then occupy space, and also has volume, can occupy volume. Water is matter, yes? Or water is matter. So water is matter because water can have weight, occupy space, and it has volume. That is what you call matter. So, Tainino, Mickey, how many states of matter? How many states of matter do you know? Three. What are they?
Liquid. First is liquid, then solid, then gas.
Liquid, solid, and a gas. So can you give me example of solid matter? Good, Dumlo. So, can you give me example of liquid matter? Wow, fantastic. Well done. You are so clever. Fantastic. Tainino, can you give me example of gas? Gas matter? Can you give me example of gas? Can you give me example of gas?
Did you see the water gas? Water gas of the ice.
I see. Okay. That is solid. Ice is a solid. I mean gas.
But the gas is when there is water gas.
Yeah. So when water changes into gas is called water vapor. Water vapor is example of gas. And also air. We breathe in, we breathe out. Air is example of gas. And also wind. Wind is movable air. Also is example of gas. Okay. Let us see some vocabularies. So, is this matter? Is this matter? Mickey, is this matter? No, no, it's not matter.
That's matter. I cannot see it. My
You can-
screen is a little bit like
iPhone.
wider.
Is this the matter?
It's literally that's solid. That's solid matter.
Sorry, Mara. Okay, well done. So amazing, you are amazing. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh. Today we are going to see looking at matter and describe body matter and so on. Next day we see soil and so on. So and the change. Okay. How can you describe the matters? Okay. First of all, we are going to see these vocabularies: mass, matter, properties, volume. Remember that a matter is anything that takes up space and has mass and volume. A matter is everything around us which can occupy space, has a mass and volume. So what is the difference between weight and mass? They are the same. Mass and weight are the same, yes? Because when you want to know the mass of the things, you have to weigh that things and get the mass of that things. Yes. So matter is anything that takes up space, and has mass and volume. Okay. What is mass? What is mass? Can you read here, Mickey? What is mass? Mickey, what is mass?
What?
What is mass? What is mass?
Mass. The amount of matter in an object.
Mass. Now read here. Can you see? Mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Is amount of matter in object. Yes, the mass. So then matter is anything that takes sorry, matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Sorry. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass, also volume. You see, this is a dog. For instance, it's Tinino. Do you have a dog, Tinino? Do you have a dog? Yes? Do you have a dog? No. Do you have a dog?
No.
No. Mickey has a cat. Yes. For instance, Mickey went to clean her cat. Yes.
But I be a friend with my neighbor dog.
So cat.
Okay.
What? Again? I cannot hear anything.
Do you have a cat? Do you have a cat?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Have you ever washed your cat? Well done. Okay. This is a cat. So when Mickey went to bath or to wash, her cat, he used a basin. So her cat occupy space and volume. Yes, means that cat is a matter. It is a solid matter. Do you understand? Okay, Tanino has car toys. Yes, do you have car toys? Or you have your clothes. Your clothes, you are going to wash your clothes in the basin. When you are going to go to wash them, you put in the basin or washing machine. So if you can see, you see that those clothes occupy space and volume of washing machine. So means that washing machine is a matter, and also clothes are matters. You understand? You understand? So matters is anything that takes up space and has mass or weight. You understand, my dear friend? Okay. If you can see for this experience, they are wearing two shoes, two pairs of shoes. Yes, this is a balance. Balance. Where they have same mass, when they have same mass or same weight, they balance for each other. Yes, properly. But what if one has bigger mass than others? They cannot balance. So it means that those shoes are matters. Why are matters? Because shoes can occupy space and also has weight and occupy volume. You understand what I mean? You understand? Okay, a balloon. A balloon is a matter. A balloon is a matter. So now is empty. Now is lighter. Yes, it's lighter. But when you blow the air inside, you can see that when you put it on the scale, you can weigh. Then air is matter because it occupies space and it has weight and volume. Okay. Tanino, can you read here, please? Read it for us.
Mass, the amount of matter in an object.
In
Matter.
object. Matter in object.
Anything that takes up space and has mass.
Mass. Okay. Mickey? Yes, I see. I see a cat. Okay.
Come down, please. I want to room.
Yes.
Come down. Why you don't come down?
Okay, tell her to keep quiet because you are studying, right? Okay, Mickey. Read here, please. Tell your friend that you are going to read.
Matter, anything that takes up space and has mass.
Has mass. Yes. And volume. Okay. Yes, tomorrow I will ask those vocabularies. You must know it because we will use those vocabularies in this chapter of state of matter. Do you understand? You must keep in your mind because we meet with wherever you will go, we meet with the mass. Yes, we meet with matters. Wherever you will go, you will need those vocabularies. So you need to take in your head to memorize it and use it for all your life. You understand what I mean? Okay. What is property? What is property? Mickey, can you read it, please? Can you read?
Property, the look, feel, smell, sound, or taste of a thing. This cat smells disgusting.
Property. The property. Okay, Tanino, can you read again? Mickey, please show me your face. You are joking with your friend, cat? Don't you play with your cat, please?
Property, the look, feel, smell, sound, or taste of a thing. Ew, that's ugly.
Okay, the property is the look. How something looks. This bottle is it plastic? No, is it plastic? Why is it plastic? Because it's look. You see how it's look? This bottle is different from a cup, a glass. You see? It's different from a box. They are different matters, but all of them are solid state, are in solid state. Do you understand what I mean? But each matters has its own property according to the look, how you look them. Are they the same? Are they the same? Bottle, and box. Are they the same? No, they are different because they are different in the property. Are not the same. Are not the same. Yes. So how the feeling? Look at here. You see? You can feel it. You can feel it by touch. No, not hard. The feeling. But here hard. Hard. You see? And also, this is a balloon. A balloon is soft, very smooth, soft. Soft. But here hard, you know? So feeling. And also smell, yes? For instance, this is water, but the smell of water, remember that potable water or drinking water doesn't have smell. Yes, but when you can differentiate water and juice. Yes, juice, because of smell. You see? So this is, even if all of them are liquid, but the smell is very different. So they are different matters of the same, in the same state. Do you understand what I mean? Mickey, are you together? Okay. Properties. Test. Now I can drink water. No test, because drinking water doesn't have taste. No test. So this is water. But when I'm testing the juice, it has sugar. Salt. It is salty, you know? It is sour. So sour. So those are how you can differentiate different kind of properties, different kind of objects, different kind of things depending on their properties. They may have the same state, all are liquid, all are gas, all are solid, but differ in their properties. Do you understand, Tenino? That is why you can differentiate. So you can differentiate. You can differentiate water and juice. You can differentiate juice and beer by tasting. Beer doesn't taste like water. Do you see? So beer, water, juice, all have the same state, are liquid, but because of different properties, they are different. You can differentiate by tasting, by smelling, by feeling, by tasting, by sound. So the properties is how the things looks, feel, smell, sound, or taste of things. Okay, those are properties. Volume. Volume. Okay. Do you know volume? Volume. Do you see? Volume. Can you read here, Tainino?
Yeah. Volume, the amount of space something takes up. Really? I think it's the wrong amount of space.
I cannot hear very well, clearly. Repeat again, please. May you repeat again? What is volume?
Volume, the amount of space something takes up.
Takes up. Well done. Volume is the amount of space something takes up. Mickey, can you read? Can you read also? What is volume? Mickey, can you read here, please? Turn on the microphone. I cannot hear.
Volume, the amount of space something takes up.
Okay. Okay, volume. You can see here this cylinder. So here there is liquid. This is water. They fill water into cylinder. Yes. You see? Here is up here. This water occupy volume, bigger volume than that water. So means that volume is the amount of a space. Space. Everything occupies space. Here, this is a bottle, and this is a balloon. The volume occupied, I can behold a balloon in my hands. My hands thumb. Yes? But I cannot hold this bottle, yes? You understand? So those things, even if they are in the same state, solid, but they occupy different kind of volume. The same to this box and the bottle. They are solid in state. They are solid things, but they are different in the volume. They can occupy different volume. So volume is the amount of space something takes up. Okay. Okay. Let us ask. This is the question. Mickey, do you understand? Tanino, do you understand?